Uploading and sharing your files using Google Drive. If you do not already have your Google Mail or Google applications open on your computer, start by going to the Nazareth homepage and selecting Current Students from the top of the page. Next, click on Google Mail. If you haven't saved your login credentials on your browser, go ahead and log back into Google. Once you're in your Google Mail, you can access the other Google applications by going up to the waffle icon in the upper right-hand corner. From here, select Google Drive. To upload a new file, select the New button in the upper left-hand corner. When prompted, select a file from your computer. In this example, we're going to upload a video file. You should see a status notification once your file has been completely uploaded in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. If you have multiple files already in your Google Drive and you don't automatically see it, you can simply refresh your screen and the file should appear at the very top as one of the most recent uploaded files. Now that your file is uploaded, you can both rename your file if needed and generate a shareable link to send to your instructor and classmates for viewing. From the drop-down menu on the far right, select Rename, then go back and select Share. From here, you're going to generate a shareable link. Under the General Access location, select the Restricted drop-down and choose Anyone with Link. Next, click on the Copy Link button. At this point, you can paste that link into an email, into a Moodle course, or any other method required of the assignment.